Alright. This trail is called Flying Dog in Park City, Utah. You park down by Jeremy Ranch exit to get to this. Can be ridden both directions. It is like a loop. I think this way's way more fun, which would be counterclockwise. You do get runners and hikers on this trail. So the thing is always, you know, watch ahead of you. This trail, I'm pretty sure is a blue trail. It's more of a flow trail. Climb up. Oh, has some chunk, and it looks like there's some erosion. Little pedal kick back there. Across those rocks. Probably should have jumped those, but I only ride this trail once or twice a year, so I never remember it very well. Sometimes it's nicknamed Climbing Dog, because the climb does feel like it's kind of forever, but it's not terrible. Yeah. Couple tight trees there. You gotta watch your bars twist properly. Temperatures are great right now. We got some rain yesterday. I was hoping this trail was going to be in better shape. I mean, it's in good shape right now, but I was hoping for some hero dirt. This area might have been just missed by the rain, it looks like. I don't see any signs of it. But nice and packed. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah, freaking awesome. Life on two wheels, my friend. Or friends. Life is just better on two wheels. It's always better on two wheels. Everyone has their things. Mountain biking and the great outdoors are mine. Camping and riding. Riding is always high on my list. Bug in my helmet. Hopefully he doesn't sting me, whatever it is. Oh, there's that bridge. One time I came across that bridge and it was wet. I was going pretty fast, and man, I flew off the side of it. My wheel spun. It was pretty funny. This whole ride is about 15 miles, I think, from the bottom, or close to. Might have been that ridge I slipped off of. I'm not sure. Hello, birdie. A little tired this week. It's the end of my vacation. I've been on vacation for the last 9 days. Well, just off 2 days and then vacation 7. I was off Saturday, Sunday, then Monday to Sunday. I've ridden every day, but the day we had our hot tub installed, because I needed to be there for the install, we finally got our hot tub. Man, that thing's awesome. I'll probably do some videos at some point on how to recover, like as a average mountain biker, things to help with like soreness and recover quicker. And maybe I'll include a little bit of a review on that at some point if people are interested. If you're ever interested in like a recovery video, put a comment below. Oh man, it's beautiful up here. If you haven't watched my previous videos or anything, I'm on a Rocky Mountain Instinct. Been playing around with the Ride 4 flip chip system. I'm actually kind of liking it in position 1. That's your more pedal efficient, a little higher BB. Mode. It's actually been pretty good. I have not noticed over the last couple rides any differences in the downhill performance, but sun is messing with me. Kind of like spots in and out on the sunglasses. Makes it hard to see. Hopefully it's not affecting you guys.